Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making chicken fried steak. And you're going to need some flour and garlic. I'm going to go ahead and add some onion powder to this. I'm going to add some paprika. And I'm going to add some chili to this. Give it a little spice. I'm going to add some salt to this. I'm going to go ahead and add some pepper to this as well. This is so embarrassing. Like, I'm really trying to get some pepper out of this little shaker. It's just that the bottom messed up, so I have to like really try hard to get that pepper out. And let's go ahead and mix all of this together nice and well. I go to the bottom. I am scraping just like the bottom of it. And then I get the sides. And I really try to mix this very well so that everything will get incorporated in there. Ooh, yeah. All right, so I think it's good about now. Now I'm going to get in my nice seasonal here. Bring this little guy over here, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to season this up on both sides. Okay, so these are extremely large pieces of meat. So I'm going to get my handy dandy scissors and just cut some parts so that it's a nice sizable steak. Well, you know what I mean. I'm gonna make them, good size. How about that? So let's go ahead and get this all set up for you. I got my bag, I got my flour, meat. Ooh, let's get started. Now I'm going to go ahead and get this all pounded up. Pound, 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 pound. Once I got it pounded up, I'm going to go ahead and dredge this in the flour. So I'm really trying to get a good amount of flour in here, but I got to shake a lot off. And then I'm going to put it in the pan so we could fry it up. There. Well, I'm cooking chicken fried steak. I'm going to have to wash my hands because this stuff is sticky. Ooh. I love Bath and Body hand soap. It is so good. It smells so delicious. Okay, so you're going to want to cook these about maybe like 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Sometimes you have to go a little more, but just poke it and see if the blood comes out. If it does, just cook it, a little longer. And we're waiting for these beauties to come out. And then I'm going to go ahead and plate this. Hope everyone's having a great time because I know I am. Let's finish this so we can go ahead and see what the outcome is. I was thinking, What's better? Is it chicken fried steak or would you prefer chicken fried chicken? I'm trying to see who likes what more. Please leave in the comments below. Let me know whether you like chicken fried chicken or chicken fried steak. Is that recycled? I'm just gonna go ahead and just wipe on down because a lot of times when I'm cooking these steaks or what have you, I'm frying up something. A lot of times the grease kind of comes out on the side, so I'm constantly wiping that area if I'm frying something. I don't want it to cause like some kind of fire or anything like that, so that's the reason why I constantly wiping down. But look at this. Oh man, they smell so good. I practically want to just get one and eat it, but you know, I gotta wait for the whole family to eat. And yeah, look at this. Nice and lovely. And like I said, you do have to make sure that it's all cooked through. And this one seems done, so I'm gonna put it right here. And then these other ones, yeah, might as well, because I haven't seen any blood coming out. Yeah. And with all this cooking, I need a nice cold drink. Yeah. Cheers. I love the Coke Zero. They made it perfect. However, the new improved Coke Zero, I do not care for it. What happened, baby?
I'm kind of excited because this car track, so she can get under, Mommy saw a cat, an orange cat with.
I know it's taking long for me to cook these steaks, but you have to understand, I do have a huge family to cook for here, but it's all right. I might as well enjoy me something good to drink.
I got her that dress at Macy's. She looks pretty with it.
By the way, remember I told you I love the Coke Zero? I've tasted the new improved Coke Zero. I do not like it.
Okay.
Leave on the comments if you tasted it and let me know whether you like the new improved Coke Zero or not. Thank you. I'm just going to go ahead and get this all nice and mixed a little more just so that it doesn't get clumps or anything like that. But I'm going to go ahead and get this plated up. Ta-da! And there you go, chicken fried steak. It looks so delicious. Give it a try. Until then, see ya.